Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this interlocking ring or interlocking squares on a pattern. And I started thinking about it before I erased the deal. I'm going to make, you know what, I'm going to do two of them because I'm going to try something else. But what we want to do is I'm going to take an ellipse. See, that's set on yesterday, and that's why I don't like doing that. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. It is selected, so I'm going to get the two-sided arrow and hold down the shift key. It selected both of them. You can see right down there, you got an ellipse, two-sided arrow, hold down the shift key, and I'm going to bring that in. I need to make it a little bit smaller, holding down the shift key. That's pretty good. Now, if we take both these items, we can go back minus front, and it gives us that void. That would be pretty cool within itself, but let's add the state of Texas. In the other one, we might try a star. And you could probably actually get that actually to work somehow. But I want to hold down the shift key and have Texas kind of go. I want all 4 points touching. And we're got plenty, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And you could change our nudge factor to 0.01 and zoom in and see that's touching. That it's really touching, but let's move it down a little bit. So that's touching a little bit more. Now, you could figure out a way to have that come out. Like we could try front minus back, that doesn't work. You could try back minus front, that doesn't work. It's almost easier by the time you figure out, and I don't even know if it would work entirely. And somehow that's cutting. There we go. I don't like that real thin line. There we go. So I'm just going to cut it out so it'll leak. So the state of Texas will be part of that. Now this is a little bit bad. I'm going to add a node right there and just have it go past. And then that way I can just take my virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now, if we take the Smart Fill tool and make Texas red, it's doing those other ones. Now, if we continue the pattern, and then we're going to make the inside blue, so you can still see it that it's interlocking. I'm just using the Smart Fill tool. That looks pretty good. Anyway, group it together. We're going to change it to 4 inches. Doesn't really matter what size you use. I'm going to set my nudge factor back on 4. I'm going to Control D and make that pattern. Control D, Control D, Control D. And you could do anything. You know, you could have a star in there. You know, if you're not from Texas, you probably won't want to use Texas. But it's a pretty cool pattern. You could actually put a star or something else somehow we're in this part that would transfer over every time you made a copy. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.